In this video, I'm going to show you how to make someone an admin on Telegram quickly and easily. This is a simple but powerful feature if you manage a group or channel and want to give another trusted person more control. Whether you're using Telegram on desktop or Telegram web, the steps are very similar and only take a minute once you know where to look. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Telegram. You can use the Telegram desktop app on your computer or log in through the Telegram web version in your browser. Once Telegram loads, look at your chat list on the left side of the screen and click the group or channel where you want to add an admin. Make sure you choose the correct group, especially if you manage multiple communities. After you open the group, go to the top of the chat window and click the group name or profile picture. This opens the group info page, where you can see details about the group, members, settings, and permissions. Now scroll through the member list until you find the user you want to make an admin. When you locate that person, right-click their name. A menu should appear with different options for managing that member. From that menu, click Promote to Admin. Telegram may then show you admin permissions, depending on your group settings. This is where you can decide what access that person should have, such as changing group info, deleting messages, banning users, or adding members. Review those permissions carefully before confirming, because admin access gives someone a lot of control over the group. Once you're satisfied, save the changes and the user will immediately become an admin. That's it. You've successfully promoted someone to admin on Telegram. It's a fast process, but it's important to only give admin rights to people you trust. If this helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more useful Telegram tutorials, app tips, and step-by-step how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.